glass, it flash and pass it. Modern vampires of the city, anti-blood, blood, blood. Thank you. Wait. It's the music. Music is so powerful that's more than your stress out. Yo, you just go listen to some music and you that again your ear. So just imagine that food job yourself right inside yourself. And then some police come and say, turn off, finish the show, back off the bar. Imagine over the item on the earth. Sit there yourself. Coming again. Music bring togetherness and togetherness bring happiness. And feeling the best, the only thing to come up with is the sound of the music. How could I refuse it? No matter what is the problem, the music will only troubles all I couldn't believe it. Everybody remembers the return of the music. It was from the beginning of creation. It's been the message of confirmation. I said I couldn't believe it. Everybody remembers the return of the music. It was from the beginning of creation. It brings joy and unification. Yeah, it gave me strength in times of trouble. Help me to overcome all my struggle. It's only a positive vibration, so don't stop the celebration. Every time the music plays, I see my people get together. Rasta getting stronger, Babylon getting weaker. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. I couldn't believe it. Rastafari, I remember the one now. Remember this one, people. Don't try to be sneaker. Don't be only. Hold it out. I said don't. What you fail to understand, that I'm not like the other guys on next. You break their heart to leave them a threat. I do things you don't expect. If you try to disrespect, but all good things that come to an end and won't even be broken up, but cannot be made. So don't try to be sneaker. You're not the only one in this world. I am my words to fit and choose. Don't believe I'm everything to lose. Don't so shake, must yet pride. Every man you want to take for a ride. I've heard it on that I didn't know. You know people these days are so. I'll bet your check from back the worst. You must not be living like this at first. Don't you we don't like this some people. We don't like this some people. I even make me a friendless stuff. We don't like that the people go. I even make me a Christian love. my general. Give a chance. Give a chance. That one coming up. That one coming up. Chance for general. Chance. Thank you. Hold on. Alright, the people. You see that tune you never see? I one of the latest Admiral Tibet. In the panorama they call it 2 Time Chicago. I really make some controversy. But me know that controversy. And hear this. I only for artists that on the rhythm. But me know it's a mission for me, not a competition. So I'm going to premiere this song right now. Hope you enjoy it. Don't play with my mind. Don't play with my mind. How can you need me and I'm waiting in line? Don't play with my mind. Don't play with my mind. They say I'm to fight. I didn't know it's a wonderful to make her look like shine so bright that the sun but they don't know but right. If you fool me once, you can't fool me twice. Come out of my life, get out of my life. I don't wanna see your face around me anymore. No. If you fool me once, you can't fool me twice. Come out of my life, get out of my life. I don't wanna see your face around me anymore. I know that for sure. I know that for sure. More than two. They could be spoken on the one end of being a venue. All because of you. All because of you. But I can tell you this again and again. No woman can marry inside. I've never loved in vain. Love can never make me feel pain. No strain, no strain. If you fool me once, you can't fool me twice. Come out of my life, get out of my life. I don't wanna see your face around me anymore. No. If you you can't fool me twice. Come out of my life, please. Get out of my life. I don't wanna see your face around me anymore. I don't want to see your face around me anymore. People, I tell you, salute. All right, so I want to take up one time and so I'm going to get to the next track now. I say, many people is this, and I We just make the best of it. Something different for this thing. We can rock it up also. If you put me in the mind, if you put me in the mind, you can't lose God. And you can't lose God. Well, that's the thing you lose. Why do you take your time? And then let your arms sleep in your mouth like that. And if anything happens, one of us want to tell. Send us a song, send us a song, send us a song. One night, people, greetings. That's the part. Sing that song here. Empress. I tell you, say, I come to show where we going to draw that tune you never sing right now. I'm not tell you, say, play this them. You have to leave the stage show. Come on, let me love that song I'll never sing. But I don't know why. But never sing it still no star. Just upon that, yeah? Well, I'm going to see him really. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I'm a woman. Woman is a woman to woman and credit. Put the eye. What's that to myself? Lord have mercy. See the man. I'm a woman. Woman is a woman to woman and credit. Oh gosh, what I'm sorry to say, I don't get no pay. Can't find the bosses in the kingdoms. Unity of faith, every region. You don't bother those things, goes across. You can't say that, nothing but respect. Tell me how far the game is not long. Well, I'm breaking up. Yeah. Alright, balance it, yeah. Alright, now go shift the gear a little bit. Now go shift the gear. Some people say, Admiral, they don't really sing love song. I tell them it's not really in the car. But I will sing a song, I'll go up on my knee and give you my heart, and I will do anything for your love. I will kill myself and all those things. No, I don't believe in that. I keep it real. See, what I have to love still. Remember, I told you about singing now. I'm not singing it yet. Really. If you don't know how to hold it tight, you cannot be. Now give me people! Yeah, see the money, come in, see the money. Come in, see the money. Introduce yourself. Respect for father, this is CD Bucket. That's why I must send me a room. So you know what you say? The girl that's a bit short and sexy is a different thing. Touch on the stage is a different breed. She run that flat man is a different flea. And she just did not give me a different key. You think man of a drink a different tea. How you stay so boy, a different tea. The areas of the swamp is a different gene. In a street of fish, they will find a different sea. You know you don't give me a different chance. This is something that I want to be a different chance. This must be money in a different man. Different man. Banging box is a different scam. We have to strike coming from a different flag. And the right on the air will carry a different gun. Ladies, watch out. The girl them say the store and sexy. Them say me nice store. They love me straight clothes and make high blow. Then they love how me shine oh. Every girl in the world, they want to tell me high oh. So me not put my door. Say fi up that for the boyfriend go high oh. Like Janko and fly oh. She come and she talk, give me hand, give me a mixer. Let me see how much I'm trying oh. See the fucking I'm come on high oh. So glory don't let high oh. So I can start on fucking. You know the girl that go free me. Tell me say every night them cheat me. Some flex up when them can't see me. They say they love me more than Bunty and Beanie. The thing in a me buns it no teeny. Last time Shana, she said she wanna clean me. Get from Cayman. Wanna be the house. See the money. The people, I am not an MC, but as an article regional. See the brother here, listen to brother, my real brother, Johnny P. We're rocking your mic back.